I smile a lot. I feel good, But it's so good to see it. But I don't know. Like, there's so many things I don't know.
Yeah. I'm ambiguous. You could call me the conspicuous ghost of ambiguity.
That's what I was gonna say. It's under your name on your website. It says that.
Yeah. Oh, you saw it. Yeah, the
Yeah. So
conspicuous ghost of ambiguity.
tell me about your website because I know that's kind of what you thought about that you kind of figured out this is what I'm going to push. These are
Yeah.
the different channels. This is what I do,
Yeah.
and I
Yeah.
have to say it's very like there's a lot on there.
Yeah.
It, but I think that's important because what are you going to do? Not highlight everything?
Well, the thing is, I've done a lot of projects in LA. I did a lot of studio projects. I got invited to a lot of shows. Pasadena Media, primarily in LA, they had a lot of studio shows. So I got invited to do a lot of lectures on specifically subjects that I found intriguing. And so what I did was I published on my website a consolidation of a number of different subjects I lectured on, and also things I did on a personal level. So what my website is really based on is a consolidation of a number of different subjects, where I discuss the physics of music, where I discuss the linguistics of music, where I discuss the theoretical aspect of music. And then not only do I write